can scan your documents and send them to any email address as PDF, TIFF, or JPEG images. Touch the email icon on your copier screen. The first thing you see is the option to enter an email address. Choose one from an address book on the machine, or search for one in your directory. As you type, the machine will search the directory to see if there is a matching address. The address book can contain thousands of entries, so certain contacts can be designated as favorites to simplify access to the most commonly used addresses. You can add as many recipients to your email as you need. Note that you can also specify the subject line of the email, as well as the name of the scanned image that is created. In addition, you can specify whether the document will be attached to the email as a PDF, TIFF, or JPEG image. Just touch the PDF button at the lower right to change the format. If PDF is your format, you can also choose to have the Xerox OCR the document prior to sending it. This means that the recipient will be able to search for any text in the document. You can also password protect the document. If you do, the recipient will not be able to open it unless you share the password with them. The Combine Files option, when selected, means that all the pages you scan will be combined into one file. If you want separate files for each page, simply unselect the Combine Files option. Note the Preview option. If you select this option, the system will display a series of thumbnails of all the scanned pages on the screen, as well as give you the option of adding additional pages or stacks of pages to the email attachment. Note that you can scan both sides of the document and even flip the second side if necessary. The color selection and the original type selection make a difference in the size of the document that will be attached to the email. Color documents are larger, while black and white documents are significantly smaller. Also, the original type selection, which normally defaults to photo and text, can also make a difference. Photo and text is a medium setting that renders an acceptable quality for both pictures and text. Photo mode tends to make the attachment significantly larger, while text mode tends to make the attachment significantly smaller. Photo mode is only an option if JPEG is the selected format. As you scroll down through the list of features, you will find more options to control the quality of the scanned images and format the email message. As with copying, the lighter darker menu only affects the black portion of the image. There are further controls for managing the quality, which you can enable under Customize, which we will review in a minute. Original orientation is important for a scanned image. Portrait means that the copier will treat the short edge of the document as the top of the image. Landscape means that the long edge will be positioned at the top. Original size is similar to the copy feature. The Xerox will automatically detect the size of the scanned document as long as it is a standard size. The original size menu, however, lets you specify mixed sizes if you have a stack of pages of different sizes, such as letter and legal mixed together, or even custom sizes. Note Remove Blank Pages. This option will remove blank sides from the scanned image before sending it. Be aware that this may affect page numbering on the finished document. The message option lets you enter a message to the body of the email. If you scroll down and select Customize, you'll find more options for controlling the copy of the list under Feature List. Select Guest, and to add options to the menu, just unhide the option and it will be added to the main menu. When you click Send, The pages are scanned, converted to your selected format, and sent as an email attachment.